Harmoni app, health and sleep. So just tap get and then double click to install it. So nice sleep tracking app. Harmony is your ultimate wellness companion, thoughtfully designed to transform your journey to a healthier, balanced life. It merges features into three pillars: better sleep, healthy living, and health data management. So, here is the app: AI Health, Better Sleep, Healthy Life. So, of course, this is just an app. To seriously kind of measure sleep and all of that, probably you need to reach out to a doctor. But here is the app, and you can get started here. And here is so here is the app, and then you can just see your stats, blood pressure, sleep quality, blood oxygen. So this app claims to have a lot of tracking. So like for example, if you select this, it says that you can just put it to your wrist, and then it can measure that. Of course, there are disclaimers, and then basically you can access the camera.